In this video, I want to talk about how you can get started on trading 212. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. I suggest you start with a demo account. So head over here and scroll to the bottom, choose practice account, and in here you will have fake money that you can try with first before you actually use your own money. So what I suggest you do is just use that, and I'll quickly show you how all of this works. So this will be your homepage where you basically can see just basically homepage stuff. Inside of here is a pie. What you can do here is you can create a pie, and inside of these pies will be um, stocks that you choose. So if I create one here, I can add different stocks. As you can see, add to pie, and you can add as many as you want, and then it will yeah, let me show you. Add, add, add. Then once they're in here, you will be able to choose how much of each one you want in the pie. And this is the investment. So that is basically how that one works. Once you've made that one, like that, you can choose if you want it to auto invest or manually. And what this does is basically just, you're gonna invest in multiple companies at once with your money. So that's the pie one. This is where you can find all of the stocks. So what you do from in here is you can look through the left side here. You can find trending ones. You can find ETFs. You can select any category. So let's just go here and do global markets. Inside of here, you can see a bunch of these different ones. And over here, you can see your recents in the global market. And if you click on any of these, you will be able to see the graph. Inside of here, you can scroll down and find more information about them, such as dividends and their market cap and all this stuff. And if you actually want to buy these, you simply press buy. Then you can choose if you want from value or shares. Value is basically money. So how much money you want to buy of that one, or how many shares you want to buy. So once you've done that, you can select how much, review the order, and then you can buy it. Now there's not really much more to it. It's a really simple and easy platform to use. If you wanna withdraw your money, come in here and go to manage funds, and then you can withdraw money. Now keep in mind, of course, if you're on the demo account, you cannot withdraw the money since it's fake money, but that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.